Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord login error. Don't worry, this is a common issue and the fix are simple. Let's start it. First, number refresh or restart. First, completely close the Discord. If you are using the app, close it from the recent app. If you are on browser, refresh the page or close the browser completely, then reopen Discord or try logging in back. If the captcha loop happen in the browser, try out another one like Chrome, Safari or Edge. You can also try logging from the different device like your phone instead of computer. If you are using VPN or proxy, turn it off. Discord often block login when it detects unusual network activity. Once the VPN is off, try logging in again. If you are using browser, open the browser settings, tap clear cache and cookies from the Discord. Then restart the browser and try again. And make sure you are using stable network. For that, swipe up from the top right corner of your screen, hold the Wi-Fi and try using mobile data and vice versa. If a weak or unstable connection can cause Captcha error. Sometimes Discord temporarily block login attempt for the security reason. If nothing works, wait about 10 to 30 seconds or minute and try again. If possible, continue. If that problem still continue, you can visit Discord support and submit our help request. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.